We know how critical it is to track every transaction that goes through your store, so we've given the Orders page a brand new makeover. Introducing the refreshed Orders page. We've completely redesigned the UI to make things more visually intuitive for merchants. Searching for orders has been expanded with more ranges, filters, and search capabilities. Search for any order now in just seconds. Managing your online business, now you can track every online order through every single stage, from processing to out for delivery to ready for pickup. Need more control? You can download your entire orders list as an Excel sheet or individual order details as PDFs. With these updates, managing your sales data and looking up transaction history is smoother and faster than ever before. This update was shaped by how merchants like you actually use Quickvee, and your continued feedback helps guide what we improve next. Quickvee. Management made easy.